Our school is 6 swarms but 1 hive. Stay tuned to find out more.
At Bass-Hoover Elementary School, students and staff participate in a school-wide program designed to help students feel connected to their peers, staff, family, and community. The school mascot is the Stingers, which gave Principal Darren Thomas the idea of grouping students and staff into 6 swarms to achieve cross-grade level collaboration.
At its core, the swarms is all about relationships. Each student was assigned a swarm, also staff members, and that became a group that they would interact with. Those teams were earning pollen points, which is our reinforcer for positive behaviors.
So our students earn what is called pollen points. They earn it by showing our 3 school rules, which are be respectful, be responsible, and be a friend. They can earn pollen points in their resource classes, they can earn it in the cafeteria, walking in the halls, and they can earn it from any staff member, not just their classroom teacher, which is a great way for all of our staff members to be promoting that community. Our bus drivers pass it out, our cafeteria aides are doing that. So students are seeing that they shouldn't just behave and show off their 3 Bs in the classroom, but throughout the entire school.
At the end of each quarter, the entire school celebrates with Swarmapalooza, which includes an assembly where the winning swarm is announced. Students enjoy the competition and feel there are many benefits to the program.
Well, Swarmapalooza is basically bring us together, and it helps us cooperate with each other to make more friends, meet other people, and basically just help us. Pollen points are like making points for your swarm to win Swarmapalooza, and how you make them is where you follow the 3 Bs. Be respectful, be responsible, and be a friend.
Students love learning the chant that goes with their particular swarm.
Bumble, bumblebee, bumble, bumblebee. We are the humble bumblebees that like to live in trees. Bumble, bumblebee, bumble, bumblebee.
Principal Thomas believes that the program will have a long-lasting impact on students and how they learn about their community.
We are so excited about the positive results we've seen so far in this program, and we're excited also about the positive impact we will see moving forward.